we make the future last. I can't leave 'cause I keep falling for you. So hello Claire.
Hi Maxime.
I have to say I'm very, very pleased to meet you face to face. Like it's been a while. I've been wanting to, I don't know, get to know you personally. Sorry.
Same, I've heard so many good things about you.
Stand here.
Heard many good things.
Anyway, I wanted to know about what took you so long. What's the story behind the song and when did it come to you?
So the song was written during a very particular moment of my life because I've been playing with the band for very long, rehearsing very much. We had really a future that we were planning for the project, and so it didn't turn out the way we thought. So this period was actually a very inspiring period because I really tried to figure out who I want to be, what I want to do in music, and where I want to head. So I was searching for a kind of sound, and I must admit, when I heard your version, it really blew me off my feet because during the chord progression or during the writing of the song, the sound I was looking for was actually more in the soul area. So you really, with your voice, it really matched perfectly for which purpose the song was actually written.
I mean, when the song is good, it's always easier, right?
So that's really incredible. The way you interpreted the song, I think it was exactly the way I imagined it. So thank you for that.
I'm blushing.
So great.
Hi again, Sven.
Hey, Maxime.
So, Out to Drown, I understand this is a song you wrote and that is on your recently released album. Can you tell me a bit about it, please?
Right. Out to Drown was one of the first songs that I wrote for the album, and it's a breakup song, as you kind of figured, I suppose.
Yeah.
So it's kind of like this emptiness after a breakup, and this kind of feeling of drowning, of not knowing where to go, how to kind of get out of that feeling. That's basically the meaning of the song. Yeah.
Get it. Melody-wise, maybe did the lyrics inspire the melody, or the other way around, or was the writing process?
For this one, it kind of like the lyrics and melody kind of came at the same time. It's kind of this idea was kind of to have this kind of wavy feeling. Kind of the words kind of go in like this wave-like fashion. Kind of, and there are a lot of words in some parts. Sorry about that. And it's also kind of doubled with the melody line in the guitar, so that kind of came together fairly at the same time. And yeah.
Gone is the glory, the
hopeless, state of despair. You don't care, all seems no good to you, though we tried and true. It's all I was, it's all I've ever been, all I am is lost in the great sea. The coast too far, the waves come crashing down. Why, oh why, you left me out to drown. Left with the pain, all the blame and the fear of loneliness. I feel so hopeless, trying to move on while I'm gone, and I still can see your face, which has so much grace. It's all I was, all I've ever been, it's all I am, lost in the great sea. Goes too far, the waves come crashing down. Why, oh why, have you left me out? It's all I was, all I've ever been, all I am is lost in the great sea. Goes too far, the waves come crashing down. Why, oh why, have you left me out to drown?
So Maxime, why did you choose the song?
Number one to me, the melody, and you mentioned it in previously, the wave sound coming from the guitar, and I don't know, the way it was written, the movement in the music, kind of appealed to me. But I guess I should have expected this from a song written by a guitarist, I guess. But yeah, it started with there, and then, you know, beautiful song, very nice lyrics, deep lyrics if I may even, and the whole package kind of appealed to me. It's a song I heard on the radio, I don't know, a couple of months back, and I don't know, I thought it would be a good opportunity to sing it. I hope I did it justice.
I mean, it was really nice because I generally don't tend to sing it myself live, because I find it's a very hard song to sing. So I tend to let one of the other singers do it when I'm doing it live. So it's always nice to hear someone do it, and your kind of soul-y kind of voice, I think, really fits really nicely with the emotion of the song. So thanks for that.
Thank you.